and that's it. It's too far back. It's pivoting every time.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then I'd also noticed the rails were jumping back about that far, which is a fair bit of energy it's losing. So now I've got tent pegs holding the front in.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So.
And putting the strap behind it and the rubber bands at the lower end of the leg, which was great, and that helped. But it was slower because it seems to be pulling it down into the rail, but it was
that's
flatter. So it's a.
Did you move the tow hook further
I did.
forward?
I moved it a whole length forward to get some of the pivot out.
Yep.
This on the other one, obviously, not this one. And it may still not be enough, but it's and the next step would be put another couple of rungs on and some more bands and see how that goes.
And if that doesn't work, I hand launch the whole apparatus and run along with it.
And we'll launch it and then activate.
Yeah.
So what? You'll have a release mechanism to you fall
That's
step
when he falls
in, you
over.
step on that as you let go.
That's it.
As he trips,
I then have to try and trip
mechanism.
onto that piece of wood. Yeah, we've got it all worked out.
Yeah. Easy. All right.
That seemed to work.
Taking off. Wow, that was exciting.
Wow.
Taking off. Come on. Nah. Nearly did it.
Nearly?
It just
It
didn't.
just hung there.
It just hung
If you just had
there.
a breath of headwind.
It would have, No, it's not going to work, but it's a lot better than it was.
Yeah. The last time I basically just let it go and I let it overshoot. I took a few steps because if I push on this road, I'm going to park some roll. But the other camera's running, isn't it?
The other camera's running.
I'll do it a quick
Okay,
check.
launching.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just everything. It's smoother. I think that's 7 grand.
Gee, it's hard to see. I actually,
I have the red on the wingtips.
yeah, in the viewfinder, I have actually no idea whether it's in the frame or not. Well, that's great. Really good. Yep. Easy peasy. Mm-hmm. That sounds nice.
There's a little bounce there. Okay, all good.
Congratulations, mate. Very good indeed.